EVO Custom Car presents premium connected car solutions for European cars. Our kits come with inbuilt Apple CarPlay for iPhones and Android Auto for Android devices. Apple CarPlay makes your drive safer with Siri commands to manage calls, messaging, and navigation. Android Auto also helps with music playback, call management, and navigation using the Google Assistant. Control the menu functions using existing controller knobs and buttons in your car for a seamless experience. It also supports optional upgrades like front and reverse parking cameras to assist your drive. Play from your favorite music apps with personalized playlists through CarPlay or Android Auto with apps like Spotify, Amazon Music, YouTube Music. You won't lose car warranty, as these are all straight fit upgrades. Kit prices starting rupees 40,000 to 60,000. Visit us at evoretrofits.in or evo-blr.com to learn more about us and our solutions.